16 emergency beds, so we were talking about how we want to remove shelters, the concept of a shelter.
Margot Long is the president and CEO of YES, Youth Empowerment and Support Services. They have provided services for youth 15 to 21, such as emergency shelters, mental health services, help finding permanent housing since 1981. Long says that demand for their services has been skyrocketing. She says nearly half of youth who come here are Indigenous.
I'm seeing about 30% increase in the mental health crisis of young people coming into the center, and we're in a collaborative of 27 youth agencies. So we're seeing a rise in the number of youth that are experiencing homelessness and crisis from domestic violence, mental illness in the home, whether it's theirs or their families, and a lack of support.
She says the 3 levels of government funding has not kept up with the increase in demand for their services, and agencies are all fighting over the same insufficient pool that is available.
Youth are a very, very small part of the focus and of the funding. At a national, provincial, and municipal level, youth agencies aren't at the decision-making table. They're getting less than 1% of the funding and the focus.
This week, they began fundraising with a goal of $1 million for a unique plan.
So what we're trying to do is advocate to get rid of youth shelters and to create instead small community help centers with a couple beds and 24/7 support, but to minimize the crisis for youth, for staff and community, and really instead look at how do we get into community and support youth there.
A plan that could change many lives for the better. Chris Stewart, APTN National News, Edmonton.